Amid heated protests in Karnataka by some Muslim girls to be allowed to attend classes wearing a hijab, a group of students again marched to their college wearing saffron scarves. Videos from Kundapur in the Udupi district show boys and girls donning the scarves over their college uniforms and raising slogans of Jai Shri Ram while going to college. The protests have made national headlines and also triggered political debates, with Congress and the BJP attacking each other over the issue. In the video clips, Muslim students can be seen in a separate queue wearing headscarves over their uniforms. A police vehicle is also seen stationed near the college. Police personnel were breaking up groups of saffron-clad protesters who had gathered near what appears to be a market area and raised slogans, the videos show. Moving on to the next news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived at Hyderabad airport this afternoon, but Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao skipped not just welcoming the Prime Minister as he landed in Hyderabad, but also all the events that he was there to attend. The Prime Minister first went to the International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics on their 50th anniversary and then went to Muchintala on the outskirts of Hyderabad to formally dedicate a 216-feet statue of equality of Swami Ramanujacharya to the nation. Though the Telangana Chief Minister's office conveyed to the PMO that the Chief Minister would stay away from the PM's events as he has running fever, his critics and political observers say there could be more to it than health reasons. Moving on to the next news, veteran singer Lata Mangeshkar, who was admitted to Mumbai's Breach Candy Hospital earlier last month after testing positive for COVID-19, is still in the ICU and is on a ventilator, reported news agency ANI on Saturday. The singer, 92 years old, was also being treated for pneumonia as well. She recovered from COVID-19 and pneumonia in late January. Dr. Prateet Samdani from Breach Candy Hospital, who has been treating the singer, told ANI that the singer is currently in the ICU and has once again been put on ventilator support due to her worsened condition, for which she will remain under observation. Dr. Prateet Samdani added, "She is under aggressive therapy. We are continuously observing her. She continues to be in ICU. She is under serious observation. Her treatment is going on in Breach Candy Hospital." Moving on to the next news. A court in Bhiwandi in Maharashtra's Thane district on Saturday set February 10 as the date of commencement of day-to-day trial in the defamation case filed against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi by an activist of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS). The court was scheduled to begin the trial in the case from today, but the counsel for the complainant requested the court to postpone it, saying his client was out of town for some personal reason. Local worker of the RSS, Rajesh Kunte, in 2014, had filed the case against Mr. Gandhi after watching his speech in Thane's Bhiwandi township, where the Congress leader alleged that the Sangh was behind killing of Mahatma Gandhi. Mr. Kunte had claimed that this statement slandered the reputation of the RSS. Moving on to the next news, India will take on England in the final of the ongoing 2022 Under-19 World Cup at Sir Vivian Richards Stadium in North Sound, Antigua on Saturday. While India overpowered Australia in the second semi-final on Wednesday, England had edged Afghanistan in the first semi-final earlier this week. India will eye a record-extending 5th Under-19 World Cup title after suffering defeat in the final of the last edition to Bangladesh. England, on the other hand, are in the final just for the second time, having lifted the title back in their first attempt in 1998.